split. I'll try to do a split if you do a split.
These pants
I don't know.
I know they will work.
Hi, Twitchy. Hey, do it. Okay, you want me to do it first?
I know you can do it, but something about being flexible and all.
I have Twitch. You do it. Yeah. He's like, no.
No.
Do it.
You're the only one flexible enough.
I kicked his ass.
My wallet.
I'm gonna grab your boob. Ugh.
Kick your wallet.
I'm sorry, I love you. You made it better. You're I kissed and you threw it on the floor.
No.
Hey.
That's the way I